Have you ever tried building a hardware startup in India? Well, then you know the pain point.
You got the perfect design and your funding lined up, but you're stuck with something as small as screws.
When it comes to screws, you can never find the right price, the right fit, at the right quality that you need. And that's what we have solved. Hi, my name is Indran,
Hi, my name is Atul.
And I am Dhruv.
and we are the founders of OnlyScrews.in.
We have lived this nightmare while building our product. Our entire project was derailed because our vendors used to ask for crazy minimum order quantities. At the same time, quality questionable, and the delivery time, we never knew when it would reach us.
Let me share the story of the origin of OnlyScrews. I was walking out of the metro station, the one in Chowri Bazaar, Delhi. I came across this entire market just selling one single thing. Something clicked in me there. And I took my phone out and clicked the picture. And guess what? Sent it to my co-founder Atul.
This picture was a eureka moment, and that's exactly when OnlyScrews was born in my head. We bought some couple of screws from the wholesale market and listed them on the Shopify website, and the rest was history. We believe every innovation starts with the right foundation, even if it's for something as small as a screw. Do check out OnlyScrews.in for all your screwing needs.